Hello, I just wanted to do a little video to show you guys how to navigate through our site. Um, we often think that it's pretty self-explanatory, but a lot of times maybe it's not. So I'm going to show you how to find some yarn. So we're at our home page now, and you can just hover over or click on this uh, navigation that says yarn, and then we've broken it down into a few different sections. So if you really like sock yarns, you can find your sock yarns here. And we've got a few yarns that are quite strong and the proper weight to be sock yarns. But if you want to have a look at all of our yarn, just click on yarn. And then down here, we have a bunch of filters. So say I have a pattern and I know that I need some worsted weight yarn. So I can just come down here, tick this box, and filter by worsted weight. So this is going to show me all the worsted weight yarns. But say I know that I want a solid color yarn. So here we've got yarns that are kind of broken down by some of the features. Maybe you want an eyelash yarn, or you want something self-striping, or you want something with a solid color. You can just tick that. And this isn't exactly automatic. I do this behind the scenes, believe it or not. So it's not necessarily perfect, but these are our worsted weight solid color yarns. Now, imagine I want a green yarn. Then I could just come over to the color filter, click on the green, and this is going to be, quite a variety of different shades of green. But there we go. So that helps us sort of narrow it down if you have a pattern and you know kind of what you're looking for, but you just want to see what options are available. The other thing you can do is search. So we have Super Saver. That's really popular. So I can just type in here Super Saver. And then it comes up. We've got the stripy ones, we've got solid and flex, and we've got variegated. If you are searching for something and you don't necessarily see it here, you can just click enter, and then it will show all the results on another page. Now, imagine I'm looking for knitting needles, and I need some circular needles. So I'm going to go to style. We've got cables, circular, DPNs, interchangeable needles, and single point needles. So maybe I want some circular needles. I know I need size 6, say. Then this shows me all of our different options. So maybe I really like metal needles or bamboo needles. I can just choose. You can also refine it by material, the length. So because I've narrowed it down to circulars, these are going to be mostly circular sizes here. And then also if there's a certain brand that you like, there's that. So you can also remove some of these. So maybe I want to see all of our Knit Picks needles. I just removed the other filters and now it's just filtered by Knit Picks. Now I can see everything. So this is our sets, the cables, cable needles, and all that. So same thing with crochet hooks. We've got this, and say I really like the Furls hooks. I can just click here by brand and click Furls. It shows me all these different ones, and it just shows me all the sizes and all the designs. And then I can refine it further by size or style, which we have a lot of ergonomic crochet hooks. There we go. Now, say I'm looking for some notions. So I'm just going to click on notions. And this is all of your yarn notions that aren't necessarily crochet hooks or knitting needles or knitting looms. And maybe I like Knit Picks, so I'm going to search here. And it's going to show me all of the notions that are Knit Picks brand's notions, because I think their notions are really cute. And this search box down here is slightly different from this one up here, because this one will search everything in the inventory, and this one will only search what category you're looking in. So if I'm looking in dyeing, if anyone's into dyeing, then you can really break this down it's quite a diverse category. So there's kind of a lot of different things going on here, but there's dyeing and fabric painting and stenciling and watercolors. Or there's different projects. We just have scarf kits. The other thing is we have other crafts. So if you wanted to do different crafts, say you're really into embroidery, you can come in here, have a look at all of our embroidery threads and our kits. Now we also have another section here which is kits. So if you click on this, this will give you all of our kits. So all the embroidery kits, knit kits, crochet kits, kids kits, everything. But if you wanted to, and you can break it down by project type, craft type, maybe you want to do crochet or cross stitch or diamond painting, whatever. Or you can just hover over here and it'll break it down to, these are our most popular kind of categories. So there's knit and crochet kits, kids crafts, embroidery kits, and diamond painting kits. So we click on that and then say I'm looking for a kit. I can break it down project type, craft type. So maybe I'm a crocheter, so I don't want to see all the knit kits. So I can break it down to crochet. And there we have it. So, and if you click on the logo here, it takes you back to the home page. So there you go. This is how to use our website to find exactly what you need.